If you really wanted good habits in your life, then you have to choose the good habits, and this is very important because whenever you opt the good habits, then your success is quite clear cut. Okay, so have a positive good habits in your life. The next thing you have to do every day, particularly for youngsters, you have to meditate every day. It may be some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or maybe 20 minutes, but you have to do it every day. Fix the time for meditation. I teach the meditation. You can go to my YouTube channels or Facebook channels or any social media. You can learn different meditations and come to webinars so that I will teach the meditations, and even in my workshops that I teach meditation in deeply. So fix a time for meditation so that you will do meditation for yourself. And the most important thing is that fix the time, fix the place, and fix the date every day. Say 20 minutes every day for your growth, and you will see the changes in next 90 days. So plan it, do it every day so that you will definitely focus, laser focus in your life. This is what is important. Suppose you may be students, you are working for opting your studies, what it may be, the commerce, science, or any field, your any faculty you are learning, and you don't have having concentration. So with meditation, these are the benefits, that you will get the proper concentration, you will get the clarity of mind, your chattering of thoughts will gradually becoming slower. So you have a space in your life so that you can reflect on yourself, and whatever you are doing with consciousness. And this is what is important, how these things helps to you in your life, because you are younger now, you have to do so many things, you are having so many dreams. So how you are going to achieve that? There is a lot of confusion. I have seen the people who are around teenagers, or they have already achieved their teenagers, and they are about 20s 25 years in their life, and they are just striving for their career. They may get job, or the job is there, but still they are not happy with their jobs. So what is your passion? You have to find it out. What is your passion? What you really wanted to do in your life? So these things are really matters. That is very important. So go with passion, so that if you find your niche, what exactly is your need, what is exactly you are born for, because that is a gift and you have to discover. So if you find any difficulties to find your niche, contact me on my email, so that I will help you to find your niche in your life goal, so that you can focus it. As Sachin is the world famous cricketer, everyone knows, but Sachin makes every time the efforts, proper efforts, and that leads to his success. So proper intention, proper liking is important, so that again and again doing the same thing, you will become a master. But before that, you must know what is your niche. Sachin did not do all the things. Means he was not playing other games like badminton or like that, but only playing cricket. That too, batting. So all of we know that his centuries in World Cup and all, wherever he plays, one day or wherever it may be. So this is what the devotion. This is how you go in your niche and create your goal. So this is Pasadika. You just do the things properly in your life. I will definitely be with you, with particularly youngsters, and keep on going. That is very important. I am Pasadika. I am a healer, author, and I am a lifestyle coach, leader. I The mission of mine is to empower 10 million people to happiness, free from all the sufferings, with low compassion wisdom up to December 2020. And I take away all your negativities and give you happiness, success, and freedom. Thank you.